What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S22. So stick around. Welcome back guys, and I'm excited to share with you the devices that we can expect to see here in a few weeks from Samsung. So first off, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Galaxy S22, which has a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. It's also the new Infinity O display with 120 Hz. We get Gorilla Glass Victus and 1500 nits of brightness with a total of 420 pixels per inch. On the right side are the volume up and down buttons as well as the power button. I have to say that this size phone fits excellent in the hand and is definitely going to be pocketable. I also really like the shiny polished sides. So here we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus with a 6.6-inch dynamic display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. We also get an Infinity O display, Gorilla Glass Victus, as well as a 120 Hz refresh rate. Next up we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus with a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 with an Infinity O display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus, as well as 1750 nits of brightness and 393 pixels per inch. And lastly, we have the biggest of the bunch, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3080 by 1440 with an Infinity O Edge display, 120 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus, 1750 nits, as well as 500 pixels per inch. So something really interesting is you can see that we do have that S Pen integrated into the body of the S22 Ultra. Now here's a quick size comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S22, the S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra. And also here's a closer look at the triple camera system we can expect to see on all three editions. Now as you can see, we have 2 additional cameras on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now here's a closer look at the bottom of all 3 units, and as you can see, Samsung has chosen to put the S Pen on the left side of the device on the bottom. And also you can see the difference in the speaker as well as the microphone placements. So on the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus, you can see that the microphone is on the left side of the charging port, and you can see that the speaker is on the right side. And you can see on the Galaxy S22 Ultra that the microphone is on the right side of the charging port and the speaker is on the left side. Now here's a quick size comparison between the Galaxy S22, the S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me in this video. Please be sure to drop a like rating down below and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I do upload a new video. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.